Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what you have seen, there is a continuous downfall. Okay, it has tried to move at this particular point, but after that what we have seen, there is a disturbance in the import and export because of the Russian war. Okay, so we have seen there is a continuous downfall. Few of the things that affected the price of crude is because of the war situation. Okay, second is Fed is continuously increasing the rate. Third is USD dollar getting strengthened. Suppose somebody is buying at around $70. Okay, their currency might be something like this, so $1 is equal to might be 70, suppose. So they have to pay more if the USD dollar went to $80. Okay, for the same amount they were trading with, okay, or the amount they were be buying the crude. Okay, before we move forward and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $76.14. Okay, and if that level goes further upside, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of around $79.39. Okay, and suppose if the price sustain above that particular level, then chances are very high that we can see it can go towards a level of around $83.14. This $79.39 is already a weak resistance. Chances of touching 73.14 is on a higher side. So once the price goes above 79.39, then we can see it can go towards a level of around $83.14. So you have to keep this in mind, because a level of around 77.69 is again a weak resistance, and if it goes above the level of 79.39 is again a level which is already weak resistance. Chance of moving towards a level of 83.19 is there. Okay, and if that level sustain, then chances of moving further upside towards a level of 86.85 is there. As I have already explained you that few of the supports now acting as resistance. See, 68.77 and a level of $85.58. These are the resistance acting as of now. So once the price sustain above $85, a probability of moving further upside is there, and then we can see a level of $90 and then further upside if the price goes above that particular level. So you have to keep this in mind. Once the price move below 85.58, then we can see a trend towards downside, or it can touch its next support of $77. Okay, but if it's sustaining above a level of 85.58, but if a level sustaining above $85.58, then we can see it can go further upside. Okay, so you have to understand this. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $73.66, and that level goes further down, then we can see it can touch a level of around 71.35. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $69.94. Okay, and if that level goes further low, then a probability of going further down, we can see it can go towards a level of around $66.24. Okay, and I have already explained you, if the price fall below a level of 69.97, chances of touching 66.24 is there, because this is the range which has not come since, you can say, since a year. So probability of moving further low is there, that we can see it can touch a level of around 66.24 to a level of $65.8, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around $64. And once the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can fall below a level of $62, and chances of touching a level of around, you can say, 61 is there. And if that level didn't sustain, then probability of moving further down is there. So you have to keep that in mind. Okay, now understand something. Suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, a risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Suppose if you took 5 trades, your risk is $500. Okay, that is 100 per trade. Okay, so now suppose if you took 5 trades and you lose $500, so maximum loss is $500. Now you can focus more on profit the next day. Okay, you have to understand this. You can focus more on profit the next day. You will not be in a hurry to recover this amount. What people do is they lose so much amount, that is 3,000, 5,000, 6,000, then they try to recover it, which in turn lose their full capital. This is what they do. Okay, if you want to, this is what I teach in my workshop, how to overcome all these things, how to strategize your trade, exit, entry, hedging and all. This is what I teach. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.